Okay, the problem below, we're supposed to subtract these, and it gives you your values for A through F. Substitute these in here, and we would have 5 and 1/4 minus 3 and 2/3. So this is the problem we need to do here, 5 1/4 minus 3 and 2/3. So let's go ahead and do that. So to do that, we'd have to get a common denominator between the 4 and the 3, and the common denominator that 4 and 3 will go into, you can just multiply these together since they have no common factor, and that would be 12. Now, 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3, minus 3, and, okay, common denominator is 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now, if you try to take 8 away from 3, you would end up with a negative number, and we're not doing that here. So what we need to do is this. We need to borrow 12 12ths from this 5. Now, that would knock that down to 4, and we'll get another 12 12ths over here, because 12 12ths is 1, and that will crank that 3 up to a 15, because 12 plus 3 is 15. So that's 4 and 15 12ths minus 3 and 8 12ths, and now we can subtract these, and we would get, well, 4 minus 3 is 1, 15 minus 8 is 7, and that would be 12ths, 1 and 7 12ths. Now, what does this answer as a decimal? Well, we can do this. It would be 1 point something. Now, to get the point, just take 7 divided by 12. Well, 12 goes into 7. Here's your decimal point. 12 goes into 70, about 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. Subtract and bring down a 0. 12 goes into 100, about 6. Well, let's see. 6 would be 72, so it's more than that. I think about 8 times, and 8 times 12 is 96. And subtract, you get a 4, and 12 goes into there about 3 times. And we, since this number is less than 5, we would just leave our answer be 1.58. Don't forget the 1, because the 1 was what we had right there. The 7 12ths was our 0.58. And you'll get that right whether you would have said 1.58, 1.59, or 1.57, because on the side where it says plus or minus 0.01, that means you could have been off by 1/100th, and you still would have gotten the right answer. So hopefully now you can go back and fix the problem that you missed.